Only God knows. The most important that your soul will go to heaven. The most important that's secure tonight, my friends, that you will go to heaven if you will die. Right? That is the most important. And the other blessings is in heaven. It is more spiritual blessings. It follow while here on earth, my friends, of course you have blessings also. You have physical blessings, you have good health, you have protection, you have material blessings also, and financial blessings. You have peace of mind, you have happiness. That is a bonus, my friends. But the real blessings, we will receive that during the judgment seat of Christ, that is rewarding have to all the saints, to all the people that have the real Jesus Christ in their heart, in their life, right? So, how to apply that in our life, my friends? How we apply? If you feel far from God tonight, my friends, if you feel that you are very far from God, you feel that in your heart. Some people, they're easy to share their selfie or whatever in Facebook that they're happy. If you have no Jesus Christ, my friend, that smile is fake. It's not genuine. The true happiness, my friend, if you have Jesus Christ in your life, if you have God in your life, that is the real blessings. You cannot fake the blessings. So if you feel tonight that if you are far from God, know that He is offering your adoption. You can come part of His family by trusting our Lord Jesus Christ. That's why this is very serious.